Oh, friggin' rights, boys. Just a friggin' beautiful out, it's friggin' wet out, it's friggin' out down in Inwood. So I'm inside. We got Nelson outside, fixing trailer lights, and the front end loader, the clutch or something, I don't know. You just rip roar it, 9 million rip'ems, and she goes about 3 feet, no go. So I need to move that shipping container over because the guy I got the fucking thing from fucking put it beside where I wanted it. So he's like, oh, you move it with the tractor. He's like, well, okay, we'll get it going then. You fucking guff, eh? But anyway, it's got a little bit done on the 83 there. Figure best, it took a minute to just decide what I'm gonna do, right? Because it's not like, this is the 11th one I've done and I've made, a bunch of wrong decisions and then this is the best way. This is just, what I've sort of come up with. So I'm gonna claw that out. We got the transmission mount, I don't know where it is, somewhere. Those are the rubber bits for it. Just squidged the rat's ass, but yeah, so if it wasn't all wet and shitty out, I'd had that outside and purwurshed it already, but I'll purwursh it, clean it all up good, and then we'll get some black poop around the areas and stuff, so it's all copacetic, and then we'll drill the friggin' holes. Mount this to the transmission, and we'll mount this to the transmission, mark where our holes need to be, and then drill them, and then bolt this whole spiel back on. Oh my goodness, there's only 3, 6, 9, 12, 16 bolts, and they came out really good too. Like they're pretty good. So yeah, that's not too bad. But oh my goodness, you sneaking up on me? Did you figure it out?
There, yeah. It wasn't light,
so it's probably the socket.
One of them, most likely.
Oh, did you change the small one yet? Oh, I bought it. What about the front marker lights? I have some somewhere. I thought they were in a box on my counter over there, but they're not. So maybe that is fucking with the system, how the front bulbs are burned out, you think, or?
Shouldn't.
Doesn't, right? Yeah, I don't know, but it would be nice if I knew where those bulbs were. I bought them to replace on the front of the art school, and they've ended up somewheres gone. It's almost so much or something too. Oh, hopefully that little adjustment knob works relentless. Oh goodness.
Let it warm up a bit.
Let it warm up a bit. You want a sandwich?
Sure.
Oh, look at them smoking cigarettes, boys. Freaking right spot. Freezing cold. Oh, I quit that kind. I quit that kind terrible. Oh my goodness, I need a couple fucking $100,000 so I can just concrete the yard. Oh. Join the Patreons and go to onepocket.com, big sale. Oh, I need a couple $100,000 to concrete the yard. Are you Santos and Pinchy?
Yeah. Got those little pinchers open, they go off to catch something.
Yeah, probably going to bite you a little bit. Stick your finger in there, see if they'll pinch it. Little fishies swimming around in there trying to get some helmets or somethings. Oh, Nelson, what did you find?
Stuff.
Holy shit, what are you doing with all that? Those look like capacitors.
Yeah, well, it's got a little everything, right? So,
buddy, fuck.
Resistors and such.
How much is that costing you? Fuck. I was parting that out.
I got that, the other piece. It's got, yeah, it actually does have the projector, it's just on a different area. It wasn't until I got the thing ripped right out that I seen it. Different casing, but the bulb might be the same, you know?
Right on. No, Bert.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy, show them what you do now. Show them what you do.
Do what?
You. Let me see.
What I'm doing?
Yeah, you're smoking in the shop. Just
Oh,
relentless.
it's gone out.
Oh, I apologize. You've been doing it all weekend, though. Or all week. It's not even the weekend. You just palm it, eh? You just fix the shit out of stuff. Terrible.
Yeah. Should fire up the snowboard one more time just to make sure.
Oh my goodness gracious. Just hammering on it. Decent. Okay, pack your shit, and Albert, we gotta go. Really good week of Phipps and shit, and yeah, weekend before Christmas. Well, how you doing? Beats beanie, now so happy, eh? And we can assure he'll come back. Look at him, can't get out of here fast enough. Holy shit, smoking cigarettes in the shop. Holy suffering Albert. That's how it breathing there. Look at him. Just rifling. Oh, half his dirty brown cow. That worthless, eh? That's pretty good. If you ever tried it, freaking try. That's good chocolate milk, eh? That's better than that other. That's just pardon? It's not like Easter Bunny chocolatey. It's like good chocolate, you know?
Well, this batch is.
Oh, that batch is Easter Bunny chocolatey? Oh, I apologize.
Oh,
Oh, yes.
yes.
What? What happened? You ready? You ready to go, Nelbert? Oh, Nelbert can't get out of here fast. I made a monthly list too. Got the 83. Then we got. That's pretty much the only shit Nelson fucked up on. Eh? The plow truck brakes. And yeah, we were gonna solder up the Grumman. Hey, there was only 2 things on the list that you didn't do. That's pretty good. So, were you going to just stay till tomorrow, or finish that? Buddy, what the fuck? Was that a grimace? Was that a grimace, buddy? What are you stealing now? What's that? Oh, that looks like stolen property.
Yeah, it's a fly back on TV.
Interesting. So you're going to make a Tasner out of that, are you?
Oh, I don't know.
Buddy, make a Tasner so I can make a movie about it.
100,000 volts. It's kind of a neat toy.
Oh, right on. That's all. Decent.
Make a bunch out or something.
Awesome. But anyways, I'm just going to yell at the old lady and tell her how much we're something, and then we'll be out of here.
Alright.
Okay. How much for something? Why are you grimacing? I stepped in a cat shit in the yard, Nelson. Oh, you got it working.
Yeah, there's no switch here. Like, I got it so it was working, but I recommend not even trying to flip it up.
Oh, yeah, for
like,
sure.
you don't need it, right? But
No.
that was in here. That was the problem.
Wow.
It's part of this, but yeah.
You like them cigarettes?
Oh yeah.
They're good, eh?
They got a little funky taste to it. I don't mind though. Like the bottom leaves, you know, the
Floor sweepings and the bubble gum and
just the
cow
top
shit,
end,
whatever.
I don't find they're any harsher on you than any other one.
Little piece of cat shit
Yeah.
that got on your shoe. You know what I mean? But yeah, we're not. That's completely the opposite way that we're going.
Yeah, we don't have to.
But I can pick you up somewhere, you know, when I go there, get fuel and shit.
Yeah, yeah.
Then I'll just coerce you into coming back to Inwood.
Mm-hmm.
Eh? Everybody, you love Inwood.
Oh yeah, it's nice to get working in the shop, you know. Especially when I'm off for a while, you know. I get sick of it for a bit, but then, you know, I get away from it. I get dirty again.
Oh my goodness, we might have to get you back on Inwood. You want me to turn around? Buddy, what the fuck? Just can't wait to fucking zap some, eh? Oh goodness gracious. terrible, buddy.
Yeah, no problem.
I probably won't see you for Christmas, so Merry Christmas and all that horse shit.
Yep.
Fucking I'll bother you in the new year. Hey, I'll ask Christmas for some Nelson in the new year. See if you put some in my stocking.
Yeah. All right, I'll see you later.
Okay, thanks, buddy. I don't know what I'm gonna do when he passes on from cigarettes. Hey? Oh, goodness. Oh, he best quit cigarettes. Else I'm fucked. We just met up with the Dodge Dick, who's interested in the 45 records from the old dude there, so just make sure there's no funny business. I ain't freaking just sending dicks over to buddy's place. You know what I mean? Gotta make sure there's no funny business. But, yeah, we'll see what this brings about, and then we'll get back to Inwood because I'm fucking starving, so I'm terrible. Well, onwards, boys, we made her back. Holy frigasake there, but yeah, anybody interested in 7,000 or so 45 albums? Hey, maybe you got a big jukebox collection, but yeah, buddy wants to get rid of them. Friggin' stovepipe. He's wanting this particular type of the fancy pant friggin' wheelchairs there, I guess, and friggin' yeah, pretty particular about it. He's got one in mind that's caught his fancy, I guess. But anyways, thank a cigarette for Nelson. I don't even know, like I mean, I don't know. I think I got all this stuff for him, eh? For frig's sakes, but yeah, sure is handy having him around. Holy suffering sarsaparillas. Friggin' son of a bitch fixed the pump there and the friggin' tractors and different things, and the hoist, that was a good one there. Man, that was a good week. Got him a carton of cigarettes, still had 4 packs left. Hey, believe that? So I'm probably 4 pack ahead on next time he comes. Hey, Scorsese! Just started smoking in the shops of Fox. Friggin' rights he did, that sweaty bastard. But anyways, we'll friggin' call her cigarette. Big mucho gracias to Nelsipini. Friggin' rights. We got Christmas word coming up here shortly. Big thanks to everybody who ordered different shit off homepaka.com. We still got the big sale. You're probably not going to get it by Christmas at this point, but yeah, we're still going to do it right up until the Januarys, I think. Right until the December 31st. And, you know, I mean, maybe a little bit after that too. But anyways, yeah, big sale on Too Muchy shirts too. Friggin' big sale. Big sale. But, yeah, I don't know. I think that would have totally worked. Eh? What's the diff? What's the differapini? What's the differapini? Eh? What's the differapini? Anyways, boys, friggin' let me know what you stink. Finger Foshki if you missed him. Couple bitches, but there you go. Another dick pop. I'm talking. Until tomorrow.
Don't the waters get you.